Many YouTube videos use AI to add subtitles without altering the audio. But in this video, discover how to translate your video into different languages using your own voice. And guess what? AI will do translation for you. You can convert your audio to English, Hindi, Spanish, Portuguese, China, any other language. It's absolutely free. My name is Kalam. Let's get started. First, you will use Rask.ai. Click the link below the video to access it. Rask.ai is fantastic. It can translate your video into over 60 languages. It's absolutely free. You need to log in here. Just put your Gmail. That is enough. So I put a video. You can put any video, and otherwise you can paste YouTube link or Google Drive. This is supported. This website. Select number of speakers in video. So I select auto detect, so original language. Please select what is your video language. So I select my video language is English. I select English. You can choose your niche and a video as per. So I want to translate it Hindi. So I select Hindi, then click for translate. Then you need to wait a few seconds. I mean 5 to 10 seconds. This is enough for everything.
Year ago, I made a fair warning to everyone that YouTube would make. एक साल पहले मैंने सभी को उचित चेतावनी दी थी कि जैसे जैसे समय बीतता जा रहा है YouTube स्वचालन एक बेहतर व्यवसाय मॉडल
Wow, it's really nice. So I really like it. So if you want to translate Hindi to English, Bangla to China, China to English, Portuguese to China, Portuguese to English, and any other language, or 60 language is supported at this website. So if you want to more video about those type of chat GPT, make money online, how to use AI, please comment below. See you next video. Tata, bye bye.